Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to work with the Canva tool. It's very easy to work with this design. We have some contents in the left side and you can watch we have elements, text, brand, uploads, tools, projects and so on. So first of all you have to go to this icon at the top, plus, and you can write the name of the project you want to share with, or you can start with the new editing here. Okay, and you can choose the design yourself. There are many kind of designs over here. Let's take this one, or it depends on the writing you want to make. And then for this one, like I want to make some kind of title heading for the YouTube channel, so you can just delete current one by pressing or clicking the delete button here, and you can add the heading here. Like I want to start with this count, and then you can change the color of the text or the selection. Also just double click on the selection and change the color over here, and then you can add the subheading. For monetization, after monetization, here we have many options, like you can add pools. Also you can add tables here. If I go to the elements at the left side, you can reach I can have different shapes like this. If I add this one, and the color will automatically be from the selected one. If I change the color over here, so the color of the graphics will change also. Like if I take this one, and you can change the color from here of the graphic. And then we have some other elements also, like this live icon sticker, the animated sticker. Resize it at the corner, and then or you have another one like this one. It depends that what kind of sticker you want to add here. Then we have some photos here. It depends on you. You use it accordingly. You can add some frames, like if I add this frame one, so right click on it and put it in the layer backward, so it will be at the backward of the writing whatever you have selected. And then if I go down, you can add different kind of graphs here, and you can add the labels, sales of A, sales of B, and sales of C. So on, you can add the sales of different shops. It depends on, and you can make the graph, live graph, very easily, and you can adjust it somewhere. Another very beautiful option is you can make polls and quizzes from here very fastly. So like this one, if I add the tool at the corner of this page here, and I add the question here, how many colors and when. So you can select your options here, like first answer are 3, 4, 7, or 1, and then you can select from here the correct answer, mark as correct. So by this way you can make polls and MCQs type settings here very fastly. You can make it, and if I scroll down here, you can add different kind of sheets, task tracker very fastly. You can add different options here, like send welcome emails, or you can add the completed tasks of your employees, and you can add some other reviews of the people. So here are the tables, and you can easily put some table values here. I'm not going to teach you this very easy one. And further we have in the left corner text forms, different text writings you can add here. Different styles are already online. You can upload the video, audios and videos from here, or you can use some other freehand tools here. I guess you like this one, and you don't forget to subscribe my channel and put like button. Thank you.